Import standards from the Achievement Standards Network so you can measure and track learner achievement. This tutorial shows how to import standards from the Achievement Standards Network from course administration. To begin, from course administration, navigate to Standards and click it. Here, you can import and manage standards in your course. Note, standards may display as competencies or learning outcomes depending on your organization's settings. Click Import Standards. Next, set the appropriate filters for jurisdiction, subject, framework, and education level. Then, in Available Items, select the appropriate set of learning outcomes. Lastly, click Import Selected Outcomes. Your learning outcomes display. Import standards from the Achievement Standards Network so you can measure and track learner achievement.